Okay, then let's take a look at some things that we can do at work to help ourselves progress faster, alright, in our workplace. And everyone is actually special, okay, or you need to create a specialized set of skill. Why? Because it will set you apart from all your other colleague, co-worker, and indirectly it actually increase your value inside the organization. This special knowledge skill will actually be your so-called niche area. It is your edge. Right? Think of it as a special edge. Now, what makes you special? Well, it could be anything actually. You could be very good at spreadsheet, you could be a tech person inside the department, or you can have a second language which you can use to communicate with the locals or in that particular region. Alright. Now, once you set this new edge of yours, or you build it up over time, or you polish it, it is time to actually use it. So this is you over here in the center, alright, with your new edge skill. Let your co-worker realize how good you actually are, right? Either by helping them, either by displaying it, alright. And once your co-worker actually know how good you actually are, they will come to you because they need this knowledge or this skill of yours, and that actually increase your value, right? And hopefully is another means for you to gain recognition from your manager, which is sometimes very difficult to do, especially if you are working in a typical Asian traditional business. But it doesn't really matter. Why? Even if your manager do not want to openly actually promote you or acknowledge your skill, if your other managers of other department start to realize how good you are, or even better, if the superior or the boss of the organization actually know how good you are, alright, in what you do, or this skill that is useful to the organization or to the other department, you just increase your ability inside the organization. Once you're there, please don't stop. Alright. Once you are already known inside your organization, it is time to let other organizations such as company A, company B, or whatever, C, D, E, whatever, to know how good you actually are. You need to actually get your name out, get your skill out, and let other organizations know where you are. Alright, how good you actually are, what you are able to do. And this is actually very good, because all of a sudden you become a key person, not just in your organization. You just increase your mobility across the industry, or in that particular sector, or in that particular region. And by doing so, of course, it will unfortunately take a lot of time and take a lot of effort and maybe a lot of sacrifices. But once you reach to this stage, basically you are no longer bound to your company. Alright. And if your company don't do well, too bad for the company. Basically, you can actually move if you choose to do so. Alright. Key note to take: please don't sit around and do nothing. That is the worst mistake any person can do. You need to take some action, and you need to do it now. Not even tomorrow morning, you need to do it now.